Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making some delicious brown sugar cookies. These are delicious. These cookies are sweet, soft, and chewy, and the perfect spin on a traditional cookie. Now for my ingredients, I have unsalted butter, sugar, brown sugar, flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt. You want one egg yolk, and some vanilla extract. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. You want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a skillet, we're going to melt 10 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. We're going to whisk constantly until the butter starts to brown. That can take anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes. We're going to pour it into a bowl and add it to the remaining of butter. You want to set your butter to the side in a separate bowl. We are going to whisk together our sugar, flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Next, we're going to add the remaining brown sugar and salt to the butter and whisk until smooth. We're going to add in our egg yolk and vanilla. We're going to combine our butter mixture with our dry ingredients, and we are going to stir until a dough forms. You can sprinkle with sugar if you like. Either you roll out your dough at a 1/2 inch thick, or you can use a cookie cutter or roll them into balls and place them on a cookie sheet, which I did. Once we are done rolling all of our cookies, we're going to bake them anywhere from 12 to 14 minutes until the cookie begins to set. Now let me tell you, the time varies depending on your oven and what you like. So the time can be less or it can be more. In between 12 and 14 minutes. You just want to check to make sure that your cookies are not over baked. The first round that I did make, I went 12 minutes and they were a little bit overdone. So I did like between 9 and 10 minutes and my cookies were perfect. Let me tell you, look at the break of these cookies. They are chewy. Today, we made brown sugar cookies, and let me tell you, they were delicious. If you like this recipe and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.